has been turned into a government operation. Charles Keter seems to be in charge at the moment of the voting process, and vote buying is rampant and widespread. In the morning also, they turned away agents of KANU in about 14 to 15 polling centers. The Jubilee side decided to buy the badges from them, from the agents. Apparently, they made that elaborate plan so that they can staff the boxes in the following polling centers. They were in Kabianga T, Trita Moita, Ainamoi Primary, Sambu Academy, Kipchunjin, Finlays and Jeboswa Flower Farms, Tebesoni, Jeboin, Litei, Jeblanget, and Ringa. In Ringa, there was a very, very blatant vote buying, which also involved the presiding officer. The presiding officer refused to listen to any protests, even from the locals, that MCS and other Jubilee agents were simply distributing money as you enter Ringa Primary School. The names I've just given you, the polling centers I've just given you is where the vote buying was in the open. Agents were turned away after their badges were taken away at Social Hall, Cheboroti Buying Center. These are all in Belgut, Keben, Kaborok, Telnet, Chepcoin, Cheimen Social Hall, Cheribo, Kiptome, and Kapchebet. Kapchebet is the home polling center of the Jubilee candidate. In Kipkelion East, it was also happening at Masaita polling center, Kamwingi polling center. Masaita and Kamwingi polling center. In Soin, Sigawet, it was happening at